Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and today we have a Boxycharm for the month of October, hence all the fall and pumpkins and fun face art. What do you think? Oh my goodness, you know I love it. I love it, I love it. So if you do not know what Boxycharm is, it is a makeup and beauty subscription. They send you in their base box 5 full-size products for $27.99 a month. You get to pick one of those 5 items. Now you also have the choice of doing their premium box, which is 6 full-size products for $39.99 a month. You get to pick 2 of those 6 products in that box. Now I do get the base box, but what I also do is get their Boxycharm Luxe. So 4 times out of the year, it's every 3 months, this box will be replaced with a Boxy Luxe. That will give me 8 full-size products. I get to pick 2 of those products, and it is $59.99 for that month. So 4 times a year, you get the extra charge, you get more products. It's always good. I really like it. Boxy is one of my favorites. I love their Boxy sales, their drop shops and their ultra drop shops. They have such amazing deals. You can get these name brand products, you know, Danessa Myricks, Glow Recipe, Pharmacy, I can't even think, First Aid Beauty, so many different products and accessories. You can get all kinds of stuff on there. You got skincare, makeup, just all kinds of different stuff for 70 to 80% off of your price. So that $40 product that's in the Sephora, you might get it for like $15 on Boxy. So yay for that. Those $30 palettes, $6. Come on, it's awesome. It's awesome possum. If you want to try this box, I do have a referral link down below. I do appreciate it if you use any of my links. They do help me out. I'll put the code down here below too, because you don't have to click the link. You can just put my code in, but it's kind of a crazy faluted alphabetical thingamabobby. So I'll put it over here, or you can just click the link below. It's whatever you want to do. Thank you so very much. If you are new to the channel, welcome, welcome. I do appreciate you coming to my goofy, woofy, crazy, furry mess of a place. I hope you enjoy it. Stick around, watch some more videos. There's cards up above that will take you to different videos I make, and there is cards on the end screen that will take you to different things. Please enjoy. I love it. If you do love it, it would really help out if you would give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I'd really appreciate it if you do. Subscribing to my YouTube channel is free, and I appreciate it so very much. Don't forget to share with your friends, press that notification bell, and if you want to tip your creator, which is me, or Callie Cat, wherever she's at. Normally she's about. There are 2 ways to do that now. You can click on the super thanks, which is through YouTube. It's like leaving a tip through YouTube, or you can buy me a coffee. There's a link below for that as well. If you do either, thank you so very much. And I do want to give a big thank you shout out to someone who bought me 3 coffees. Thank you so very much, Sarah G. Thank you so very much, Sarah G. I really appreciate it. You will see different end screens that's going to have your name on it. If you do buy me a coffee, I am going to thank you through end screens, and I will give you shout outs. So thank you so very much. I really appreciate it. And also, if you use the super thanks, I think it does special things to your comments. It makes you stand out more, just so you know. Anyway, let's get back to the box because I'm excited and I want to see what kind of products they sent me this time. Oh, you know I love it. Y'all, I've had to like back off because I was getting so many. I was getting overwhelmed. But I love it. I just love it, love it. Let's see what's in the box. Hello, Charmer. Hashtag Boxycharm. Little tip, these things right here, don't throw them away. I cut them into little squares and use them for when I'm switching colors on my makeup brushes. Instead of buying those little color switch things, you're pretty much just getting one of these anyway. So use these. Save yourself some money. And any way you can reuse, recycle, anything like that is always great. Great for the planet, great for us. I try to encourage it as much as I can, especially with the amount of cardboard and things that us unboxers get. We have to be conscious about that. And if you don't want to use it as a color switch, the cats will scratch at it. It makes a mess, but they'll do it. Let's see what this says. Everyone will be under your spell. I put a spell on you. Yes, we all know what movie that came from. Let's not get any copyright issues. Okay, so here are my 5 products. Let's see what this one is. This is FLEUR B Eyes Baby Anti-Aging Eye Cream. Eyes Baby. I'm getting a lot of that kind of stuff later. Do you naturally. Let's see. This rich eye cream will awaken your eye area by helping to firm your skin and reduce the appearance of dark circles, wrinkles, and puffiness. The MSRP on this is $26. It's what's on the inside that matters. This anti-aging cream is packed with vitamins and natural moisturizers to treat the delicate skin around your eyes. It's got squalene, vitamin E, and vitamin B. Squalene is a natural moisturizer. Vitamin E is hydrating and antioxidant, and vitamin B3 brightens and soothes. Okay. Cute little packaging. I don't need to open another eye cream right now, but I want to see. Alright, so that's what it looks like on the inside. Just take some from right here. I kind of like it. It's kind of got a refreshing smell to it. Very light, but a little refreshing. I like it. I will use it. And you know, these little eye creams last forever because you don't use that much. Looks like a hair care product. I hope it's a dry shampoo. I was running low on mine. That's a leave-in conditioner. That's just as good. I go through these like crazy as well. So this is the PLAYA Monoi Milk Leave-In Conditioner, an ultralight yet deeply conditioning treatment formulated for chemically treated dry or frizzy or environmentally damaged hair. Well, I definitely got the frizz. Tahitian Monoi oil, I know I'm saying that wrong, I'm sorry, penetrates the hair's shaft, taming frizz and healing damage. Coconut milk deep conditions, promotes strength, shine, and softness. Used on wet or dry hair. It detangles and seals your hair cuticles on lock in moisture, restoring luster, and diminishes frizz. The MSRP on this is $24. Okay, let's see. Let's see what it smells like. Do we got some frizz? Interesting smell. I think it's the coconut oil, but it doesn't smell like you know, that sunscreen coconut kind of oil. This is lighter, more like a coconut milk. If you've ever actually sliced open a coconut and smelt the milk, that's what it smells like. I like it. Actually like it. Okay, let's see what else. Is this Dew of the Gods? Oh, it is. Dew of the Gods Breakfast, Tahitian Breakfast. This is a face primer. I've never used one of their face primers before. I have their masks and different things. This is Dew of the Gods Tahitian Breakfast Dewy Collagen Primer. Breakfast as champions in the tropics hits different. Think of this as your skin's morning collagen smoothie with plant and fruit extracts blending into a dewy, milky serum to tone and prime your skin in the next stages of your routine. Build the perfect paste for your makeup to glide over or bask in the glass skin glow that lasts all day long. The MSRP on this is $32. Ooh. Tahitian breakfast. Do of the gods. All right. Smells good. Kind of fruity. I was trying to decide silicone-y, if it was silicone based or water based, you know, all that stuff. The ingredients, it says water, then it says glycerin. So I don't know how they do that. I'm gonna have to try it under makeup to really know what I think of it, but so far I like it. I mean, it dried down really nice. Did it make it glow? Actually, I kind of think it did a little. Interesting. Nice brand. I have liked this brand since we got that first mask. I've been liking it. All right. What is this? TRESLÚCE Beauty. It's something. It's something, y'all. I can't say it right. This is a radiate your light out into the world. And why do they have to do these words I cannot pronounce? Lucete beautifully, Lucete, with this highlighter palette that will help you achieve a lit from within glow. Vitamin E and Mexican blue agave deliver a unique softness as you layer on each shimmery shade to create the most illuminated look. The MSRP on this is $26. So it's a glow palette. Y'all know I love the glow. I love the glow. I can never get enough of the glow. I don't even think I put any glow on today because, hello, I've got gold foil on my face. I didn't think I needed it. All right, so here it is. They are lovely. Let's just, okay. Shiny, shiny. Luz, Valor, Cosmic, and Upgrade. Oh, shiny. Shiny, happy people. I think they're pretty. I think they're very pretty. I know you can't see them very well, but they are on there. It's just because they're highlighters. They are lovely. I love, this one is almost like a dual chrome. Oh my goodness. They're so pretty. And look at that, they keep going and going. I hope y'all can see those. I hope y'all can see those. Let's see if the light, sometimes the light can be too much and you just can't see what I can see. Look at how pretty. Oh my goodness. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Can't wait to play with those. Yeah. Okay. Now that I'm shiny and happy and all the good stuff. So here is my last thing. This is this CIATÉ London? Oh yes, CIATÉ London Spice Palette. This is a 9-piece eyeshadow palette. A blend of highly pigmented metallics and mattes that work seamlessly with neutral mattes to add an epic spice to any makeup look. The MSRP on this is $39 and it is a new launch. Let's see what's in here. Oh boy. Oh, it's so pretty with the gold on the outside and this berry kind of pink on the inside. It feels nice too. Oh, and a full mirror. A full mirror right there. That's lovely. All right, let's just do this. Look at those, y'all. Oh my gracious. Oh my gracious. Let's turn this back down and see. Yeah, let's turn it back up. Okay. Let me see. I guess I need to do So a couple of mattes, a shimmer. I guess I could have got another one. Oh, lovely. Look at that. Ooh. Love those two. You know me. Shine wins my heart every time. Every time. All right. One more. I'll do this one. That'd be a good base coat. Oh, how am I going to do this? Hang on. Let me work this out. Okay. Down. I can show y'all a little better. Look at that. That's lovely. Let me turn it down just a little. That one didn't swatch very good, but it's because I got a bunch on there. What do y'all think? That's fun. I can't wait to play with that. All right, so I got the palette, the eyeshadow palette, the glow palette. I got a primer. I got a leave-in conditioner, and I got an eye cream. I think that's pretty good for what I pay for the box. I am very happy with it, especially because the least expensive thing in here was $24. What did I tell you I paid on this box? $29. I paid $28 on it. So yeah, I definitely think I got my worth. What do y'all think? Comment below. Let me know what you think. I'd love it if you press all those lovely YouTube buttons. Thank you so very much for spending part of your day with me. I hope the rest of it is wonderful. Y'all have a very fun and very safe October spooky season. Y'all, God bless.